Documenting the last glimpses, saving memories of retreating glaciers. Title: Documenting the last glimpses, saving memories of retreating glaciers. Introduction: 100 words. Glaciers, magnificent and awe-inspiring, have been a part of our planet's landscape for thousands of years. However, these ancient giants are disappearing at an alarming rate due to the effects of climate change. As we witness their rapid retreat, it becomes imperative to document and preserve the memories and knowledge they hold. Unfortunately, the impact of human-induced climate change has disrupted this balance, causing these once steadfast glaciers to rapidly recede. This retreat not only alters landscapes but also affects ecosystems, water supply, and weather patterns. It is crucial to document the current state of glaciers to better understand their importance and implications for our planet. Capturing memories through photography, 400 words. Photography is one of the most powerful and accessible methods to document the changing face of glaciers. Professional photographers, scientists, and enthusiasts armed with cameras and drones have become valuable contributors to preserving visual memories of our retreating glaciers. Photographers specializing in glacier documentation often focus on panoramic shots, capturing the vastness and grandeur of these icy landscapes. Their images not only convey the beauty of these fragile giants but also serve as visual evidence of their decline. By sharing these photographs, they raise awareness and provide a means for people worldwide to connect with and understand the issue. Scientists also leverage photography to study and document glacial movements and changes. Highly detailed images of glaciers taken over time allow researchers to create accurate maps, study ice mass loss, and analyze the causes and consequences of retreating glaciers. These images, backed by scientific data, provide a comprehensive understanding of the impact of climate change on glaciers. Indigenous communities situated near ice caps have a unique understanding of glaciers and their significance. Their ancestral knowledge, passed down through generations, provides insights into climate patterns, local ecology, and historical shifts within these environments. Collaborative efforts between scientists and local communities can ensure that oral histories are accurately recorded and preserved. By documenting indigenous knowledge alongside scientific data, we gain a more holistic understanding of glaciers and ensure that these memories are safeguarded for future generations. Education and outreach, 300 words. Documenting the last glimpses and memories of retreating glaciers is not only vital for scientific purposes but also for education and raising awareness. Schools, museums, and organizations play a crucial role in spreading knowledge and promoting action to combat climate change. Curricula and exhibits centered around glacial retreat can inspire young minds and foster a sense of responsibility to protect our environment. Additionally, sharing photographic exhibitions, documentaries, and stories of local communities with the wider public can trigger empathy and encourage action on a global scale. Through education, we can motivate society to make sustainable choices and demand the necessary policies to mitigate climate change. The power of collaboration, 400 words. The documentation of retreating glaciers is not solely the responsibility of scientists and photographers. Collaborative efforts between multiple stakeholders can lead to more comprehensive and impactful results. Conservation organizations, local communities, and governments all play a role in documenting and preserving the memories of these majestic ice formations. Conservation organizations often spearhead initiatives to study and conserve glaciers. They provide funding and resources to support research projects and expeditions to remote glaciers. These organizations also facilitate collaborations between scientists, photographers, and local communities, ensuring that all perspectives are represented. Local communities situated near retreating glaciers have a unique understanding of the changes taking place. Their lived experiences and observations can contribute valuable information to the documentation efforts. Community-led initiatives can involve guided tours, storytelling sessions, and cultural events that educate visitors about the history and importance of local glaciers. By actively involving local communities, the documentation process becomes more inclusive and participatory, ensuring that all voices are heard. Government support is crucial in providing the necessary infrastructure and resources for documenting the last glimpses of retreating glaciers. Governments can allocate funding for research projects, establish protected areas around glaciers, and enforce regulations to limit human impact on these fragile ecosystems. Additionally, governments can support public awareness campaigns and educational programs that highlight the importance of documenting and preserving memories of retreating glaciers. The role of technology, 330 words. Advancements in technology have significantly enhanced the documentation of retreating glaciers. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can capture aerial views of glaciers, providing detailed images that were previously inaccessible. This technology allows researchers to closely monitor changes in ice patterns and track glacial retreat. Satellite imagery also plays a significant role in documenting the decline of glaciers on a global scale. Satellites orbiting the Earth provide a consistent and comprehensive view of remote and inaccessible regions. By analyzing satellite images taken over extended periods of time, scientists can observe changes in glacial mass and create accurate models to predict future trends. Remote sensing technologies, such as LiDAR, light detection and ranging, use laser pulses to measure the distance between the sensor and the ice surface. This technology provides accurate measurement of glacier thickness and volume, helping scientists understand the rate at which glaciers are melting. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, technologies offer innovative ways to experience and understand glaciers. VR allows users to immerse themselves in glacier landscapes, providing a first-hand experience of their beauty and decline. AR overlays information on the real world, allowing users to see and interact with visualizations of glacial retreat in real time. Conservation organizations, with their expertise and resources, are at the forefront of glacier documentation efforts. They often lead scientific research projects and organize expeditions to remote glacial regions. These organizations provide funding and support for researchers and photographers, facilitating their work in documenting the last glimpses of retreating glaciers. By partnering with conservation organizations, scientists and photographers gain access to critical resources, enabling them to conduct in-depth studies and capture high-quality visual memories. Local communities situated near retreating glaciers have an intimate understanding of these majestic ice formations and the changes they are undergoing. Their lived experiences and observations can contribute valuable insights to the documentation efforts. Community engagement is crucial in ensuring that all perspectives are represented and heard. Community-led initiatives can involve guided tours of glaciated regions, where local guides share their knowledge about the history, significance, and cultural importance of the glaciers. Storytelling sessions with community elders can provide insights into oral histories and indigenous knowledge associated with the glaciers. Cultural events and festivals centered around glacial-related themes and not only educate visitors but also instill a sense of pride and responsibility for preserving these fragile ecosystems. Government support is vital in providing the necessary infrastructure and resources for effective glacier documentation. Governments can allocate funding for research projects, establishing protected areas around glaciers, and enforce regulations to limit human impact on these delicate ecosystems. By designating protected areas, governments can ensure that these natural wonders are preserved for future generations. Additionally, governments can support public awareness campaigns and educational programs that highlight the importance of documenting and preserving memories of retreating glaciers. This can foster a shared sense of responsibility and encourage action to mitigate climate change. Advancements in technology have significantly enhanced the documentation of retreating glaciers. Aerial drones, equipped with high-resolution cameras, have revolutionized the way photographers and researchers capture images of glaciers from unique perspectives. Drones can access remote and inaccessible locations, providing detailed aerial views that were previously inaccessible. These images not only showcase the physical changes in glacier formations but also allow for the creation of virtual reconstructions of glacial landscapes.